What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing and first impression video of the Fifine AM8 streaming recording microphone. Here, as you can see, is the case. Fifine was kind enough to send this out to me for free for review, but it will obviously not impact any of my review. It'll just be honest review by myself, and you guys will all obviously get to decide as well, because you'll be able to hear the audio difference. And so this microphone is a two audio connections, so it can either connect via USB-C, as you can see here, or via XLR. So if you have like a Go XLR, some kind of mixer that you plug it in, you can use it as an XLR microphone or a USB microphone. And it's an AM8 with LEDs, so it does come with LED. Let's see what other features there are. Dynamic mic capsule, original detailed voice, controllable RGB lights, so it does have RGB included. Tap to mute button, which is very important. So for me, that's probably the most important function in a microphone. I like my tap to mute button, but now you can hear me. So the mic I have right now is the Seno UC4-B microphone. I think I spent around $100 on this microphone I'm using right now, and the AM8 was around $50 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if anybody wants to check it out. And headset volume control, so you can connect the headset to the mic directly. Mic gain knob and real-time monitoring jack. All right, let's open this thing up. So it comes with the user manual. It says Fifine user manual at the top, and then it comes with the little base. I think this is. I could be wrong. Yeah, it looks like a base that's screwed in. Comes in the foam, and here's the actual microphone, as you can see. Let's lift this bad boy up. It's nicely packaged. Here is the actual microphone. I'll put it to the side, and then there is the cables. It just comes with the USB-C cable. It doesn't look like it comes with any XLR cables, so that's it. So the box is empty. I'll put the box away. Yeah, so this is everything: the base, the USB-C cable, a user manual, and the microphone. As you can see here, here's the microphone. It comes with the foam already on it, the pop filter already on it, so you don't need to have an extra pop filter like I have one on mine. So it comes with the pop filter attached. And so there is the mic knob, there is the mic gain knob at the top, and then there is the headphone monitoring jack knob at the bottom. And then I think the front is the mute button, the tap to mute. It's not an actual button, I think it's just a tap activated. And here the bottom, I think these are the RGB, and then here you can see the connectivity. So it has both XLR and USB-C right here, and then this one is the headphone jack where you can monitor your own voice and stuff. It comes screwed onto this metal frame to put it on the base. Let's screw it in the base as well, into the base. Okay, after a couple rotations, it should be in. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, it's screwed in. So it just sits on your desk like this. You can obviously screw it onto a boom arm using the same thing. You can screw it onto a boom arm like I have right now. Like I have my current mic screwed onto a boom arm that I can just put away. But we'll test this out as it came in. We'll test it out using the stand that it came in. Now I'm just gonna plug it in, and you guys will be able to test out the mic quality difference. Yo, what is up, guys? So I've just plugged the microphone in. As you can see, there's probably a change in the audio quality. Let me know if it's good, better than my old mic, or worse than my old mic. My old mic was $100. This is $50, so it was about half of the price. So let me know how the audio quality sounds. I literally just plugged the USB-C cable into my PC, and as you can see, there's RGB right at the bottom of it. It's like a ring of RGB, and there's the tap to mute button. then I'll mute it. So it's basically green for green when it's on, and then red when it's muted. So, and you can change the different RGB mode at the back. There's a button to toggle RGB modes. So you can change the colors, and then I believe there's like a breathing mode and a static mode and another mode where it changes colors like a wave. But I'll just set it to static color white that matches my keyboard color. So I have also the gain on max gain. Let me know how the voice quality sounds. So if you want to cop one for yourself, I'll leave a Amazon link in the description. So yeah, that is it for the first impression / unboxing video. After a week of use, I'll drop a full review on the microphone, and I might do a giveaway. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow me on Twitter and Twitch, and that is it for today's video. Peace.